Hello traders, today is the 16th of March, Monday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Forex Trade analysis. Let me share with you today's my trading activities. As you can see, I have managed 326 pips through live intraday analysis. You can see most of them very nicely. The profit target hits. I personally traded only few pairs, but managed very good pips. As you can see, I had only two losing trades, and the best trade was 51 pips on the euro yen. If I show you here, uh, this was the basically breakout trade. What I was looking today, I'm just going to show you the 4 hour just to show you how exactly we did analysis. And the 4 hour, you can see the price was at that time in the morning was this level basically, and this is the level. And as soon as I see that some sort of rejection, the price develop a small consolidation on the analysis. And that's what I mentioned here, straight away in the morning, which is here. This was the consolidation breakout, which I explained that looking for the breakout, as I mentioned, in 4 hour possibility of price basically respected, and I explained the previous price action. If you look at here, the price developed double bottom and price basically broken the previous low, and that's give us a sign. But safest trade would be the consolidation breakout of this pattern, which price nicely did. And I open a position and I close position here, and I also mention as the price progressed, all of my traders, if they have missed this breakout, they can join that pullback on pullback. So this is what exactly I personally managed. 51 pips. The losing trades was like Aussie dollar, and this was the pretty straightforward pullback short trade. Even the price went in a profit, few pips, but as soon as the price reversed and price break about the orange EMA, I consider closing my trade very quickly. Only minus 11 and minus 8. So far, and my last trade was the Kiwi dollar 26. I opened a two position, bank in 15 pips, and let the other trade run. And again, I made bank 26 pips. This was is again, as you can see, this was based on the analysis of pullback long trade. As soon as the price hit to the final target, and I bank such a good pips profit. And if I can show you that analysis at the New York session, you can see this was the analysis I mentioned around 15 GMT time, and I personally took trade. As you can see, the safest trade I mentioned, the price going to break this blue fib channel. As soon as the price broke on this blue fib channel, I open a position, two position, bank at the first target few pips, and final target hits, and I bank some profit. So you can see all these trades are 100% based on the live intraday analysis, and we keep up to date all that analysis through live audio commentary to all of our members. So, and all these live analysis recording is also available for the members here, as you can see it, both in New York and London session analysis here. So another good day, trading day. I've managed such a good pips this month. As you can see, we had an amazing volatility in the market. So let's back to the analysis. As you can see, these just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with a live RD commentary support. On the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. Dollar yen, this was the triangle pattern breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken. Very good trade and bank good pips on short on dollar yen. Dollar CAD pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, look for the pullback if the price cannot respect this blue fib channel. As you can see, the price nicely respected. We had another beautiful pullback long trade on today on dollar CAD. Dollar yen pretty straightforward. We had this trade breakout, bank some profit, and again, as I mentioned, we always keep an eye analysis. So you can see another pattern is developed, more or less same pattern like euro yen we had it, and beautiful breakout long trade on dollar yen. Pound Swiss franc pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, and through live RD commentary we said, guys, we can see very strong bearish momentum, and if we see any pullback on the channel, which you price nicely develop a pullback, and we announce this short trade and price hit first target and the final target. Beautiful short trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout, beautiful short trade. Euro pound, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Look for the pullback because we can see some very nice bullish momentum and the trend on euro pound. We explained to look for the pullback. As you can see, the price nicely developed a pullback and respected at the 200 EMA, and beautiful. As soon as the price broke on this wedge, we announced through live audio commentary, look for the breakout. As you can see, price nicely develop a pullback and breakout of this previous recent high, and then we announced another one, pullback long. Our trader bank has such a good pips on euro pound today. Euro yen, this is pretty straightforward consolidation breakout. As you can see that I've also managed to bank 51 pips on this trade, and after that breakout we had another beautiful two pullback long trade on euro yen. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This one again, breakout long trade and pullback long trade. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. This was again, we mentioned we would keep an eye on high time frame based on the 4 hour. We mentioned look for the breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken here and beautiful. And afterwards, we announced another two pullback short trade on dollar Swiss franc and euro USD. Pretty straightforward as explained to the analysis that the first priority we should be looking a pullback long, and this is the last support line. I said like possibility of reversal these level. As you can see, the price nicely respected at this level. He announced this pullback, and rest of the trades we announced through live audio commentary. Beautiful long trade on euro USD today. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. Again, the price developed another triangle pattern as you can see it, and beautiful breakout. And we announced the rest of the trade through live audio commentary. Beautiful short trade on pound yen. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. We had this breakout this morning, and after that, the price developed another pattern, and that's why we announced trader to look for the breakout. As long as the momentum is bullish, we should be trading towards the momentum. Two beautiful pullback breakout and pullback long trade on euro pound. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. As mentioned, the price has developed, which explained to our traders. Now we should be looking at proper breakout short trade. Price nicely broken and retest. That's give us the confirmation. And we announced another one pullback short trade on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the flag pattern breakout long trade. And Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout short trade. Price nicely hit to the first target. And Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward this morning. You can see the price nicely broken. Beautiful short trade on Kiwi dollar. Of euro USD, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum. Beautiful short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. As you can see at the New York session, we announced another beautiful breakout short trade on pound dollar. Euro, euro yen, pretty straightforward. At the New York session, we announced to guys to look for the breakout of this pattern. As you can see, the price nicely broken based on the momentum. Beautiful short trade on euro yen. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was again as the breakout short trade. As you can see, the price nicely broken, and we had another pullback short trade. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. Price nicely develop a pullback at the support level. Beautiful long trade. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. And Kiwi dollar, as you can see, that was my last trade. And the bank has such a good pips. I bank first, I closed 15 pips as you have seen it. And then I bank my last target, final target profit to almost 26-30 pips on Kiwi dollar. The Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward breakout long trade, and euro yen, pretty straightforward. Again, this was the consolidation breakout long trade, and pound dollar, pretty straightforward. This was again as a breakout, and we announced another one pullback long trade on pound dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed all the description of the analysis and my trades. And if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community at ashrafnoor.com. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest analysis. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with more analysis.